Sexual offense and evasion. Sexual offense
are complex societal issues that demand careful examination and consideration. For example of this kind is kanang parasa ng maguyab mo dayon ginapugo sa lalaki ang babae na mag sex dayon dili ganahan sa babae dayon pwede na siya kasuhan og rape. Ani ang example sa so there are types of sexual offense. Number 1 is rape and the second one is sexual assault and the third one is sexual harassment and the fourth is child sexual abuse and the number 5 is online sexual explosion and the 6 is human trafficking or sexual explosion and the number 7 is indecent exposure and the number 8 is sexual assertion and the number 9 is marital rape and number 10 is stalking. And this is my report and thank you.